Today we'll cover when and why net present value is used, what amortized loans are, and walk through a specific loan amortization schedule example from Everly Healthcare. These concepts are foundational in finance and will help us evaluate both investments and debt. What is net present value? Net present value is a core financial concept. It helps us evaluate whether a project or investment will be profitable in today's terms. We discount future cash flows, meaning we adjust for the fact that a dollar today is worth more than a dollar in the future. By comparing the total present value of expected returns to the initial cost, we can make smart financial decisions. When to use NPV. We apply NPV in many real-life situations, like deciding whether to buy new equipment, expand operations, or choose between multiple investment options. It's especially useful in capital budgeting. If you're managing limited funds, NPV can help you prioritize the most financially rewarding projects. How to interpret NPV. If NPV is positive, it means we're gaining value. Our returns are higher than our costs. If it's zero, we're just breaking even. A negative NPV means the project will lose value, and generally we'd avoid it. This simple calculation provides a powerful insight into whether or not we should proceed. What is an amortized loan? An amortized loan is one where you make equal payments over a period of time, and those payments go toward both the interest and the principal. Over time, the loan balance decreases until it's paid off completely. This structure is common in mortgages, car loans, and student loans. Let's explore the components of amortized loans. First, principal is the loan amount borrowed. Interest is the cost of borrowing. The loan term is how long you have to repay the loan, and the payment schedule defines how frequently payments are made. Each payment includes some interest and some principal. Early in the loan, a large portion goes to interest. Over time, more of each payment reduces the principal. Understanding this helps borrowers budget effectively and see how debt is structured. In problem 9.12, Everly Healthcare borrows $1 million at a 15% annual interest rate with a 5-year repayment term. Payments are made once per year. Because this is an amortized loan, they will make equal payments annually. We'll see how those payments are divided between interest and principal. Let's take a closer look at the actual amortization schedule for Everly Healthcare's $1 million loan at 15% annual interest over 5 years. First, understand that the payment amount remains the same every year. In this case, about $298,315.55. This consistency helps businesses and individuals budget for future payments with certainty. Now, look at how that payment is split. In year one, the interest portion is the largest, $150,000, which is 15% of the full loan balance. The remaining amount of that payment, around $148,315.55, goes towards paying down the principal. By year two, the interest decreases slightly because the balance has dropped to around $851,684. So the interest is now about $127,752.67, and a greater portion, $170,562.89, goes towards the principal. This trend continues. As the loan balance shrinks, the interest portion of each payment decreases, and the principal portion increases. This is why we say that amortized loans are interest heavy in the beginning and principal heavy toward the end. In year 5, the final payment includes just about $38,910.72 in interest, and the rest, about $259,404.83, finishes off the principal, bringing the balance to zero. This schedule is important because it helps us understand the cost of the loan over time, how quickly equity builds, and how much interest we're actually paying over the life of the loan. For lenders, it ensures steady income. For borrowers, it ensures predictable payments and a clear payoff timeline. To wrap up, remember, net present value helps us evaluate investments by focusing on today's value of future returns. Amortized loans are structured for equal payments over time, with each payment reducing the balance. Understanding these concepts empowers better decision making in both investing and borrowing. Thank you.